channel. Today's lesson is a UIView animation. Any view to any animation apply to use UIView.animation. So first of all, I have already created heart in center point. So this heart to animated heartbeat like tuk 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 tuk. So first of all, I have used CG transform to image view dot transform use image view dot transform dot scale mode to increase 1.2 and increase 1.2 to this is to increase is 0.1 scale, and this image view dot identity to remove all tranches CG transformed in any view. So first of all, I have used UIView dot animation, animation, use this, animation like this, 0.5, 0, spring is 20 and initial is 0.5, and not is required optional type is multiple option in this use. Like this auto recursive, turn in out and linear, but we are not required. Just remove this and animation block open and completion handler block open. So self dot image view dot transform equal to self dot image view dot transform dot scaled 1.2 and 1.2, and required animation block is view dot layout if needed. So click to with animation increase scale in any image view, our added image view, not directly but with animated increase size. And after complete our animation, to call this completion handler, so UIView dot animated 0.5 to open this completion handler, not required return value in this another completion handler in second animation view. So image view dot transform dot identity and self dot view dot layout if needed to this first time increase, and after call completion block to reduce our first your default value. So, like this, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Like this, every step begin to start animation, and like this fun heartbeat. But we are need continuously heart is heartbeat working. So create this copy and cut and call this function animation heart and pasted here our code, but animation, click this over function and call this function, click, so animated our view, but we are required again and again to one tap to start our animation. So after complete this animation, call this function, so recode inside the function return and continuously after one by one clicking to start call again after run our project. So click one time and start our heartbeat animation and continuously call recursive call again and again our animation block. So this is our code. heartbeat animation and UI animation use this with duration delay using spring with damping initial spring velocity and like this as per your apply required animation. So this is our code. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video and subscribe this channel. Hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.